Hi, I'm Sean Canon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, the integral from -3 to 0 of a 4x to the 1/3 power dx, and we have to evaluate this definite integral. Now, we want to find the integral of 4x to the 1/3 power, and that comes out to be a 3x to the 4/3 power. To cancel it out. Now instead of the plus c, since we're using the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus, we're going to integrate this from -3 to 0. And so what this is telling us, this is our capital F. We want to find f of 0 minus f of -3. So let's go do that. Well, brackets here, we're going to plug 0 into our function, so we have 3 times 0 to the 4/3 power. Alright. Minus, same thing, we put a -3 in here. So 3 times a -3 to the 4/3 power. Right there. Okay. Well, oops, lost my spot there. There we are. Okay. I was looking at the wrong problem. I was like, this is not correct. Alright. So we plug 0 in here. We get a 0 right there. Pretty easy. We're subtracting here. Now, this simplifies here. 3 times a -3 to the 4/3 power is a 9 cube root of 3. Well, the negative is right there, so we have a -9 cube root of 3 as our simplified answer, and if we want to write that as a decimal, that's approximately a -12.98. I like it in this form better, personally. So, our final answer here of our integral from -3 to 0 of our function is a -9 times the cube root of 3. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.